In my previous session, what is the full stack? What kind of technologies we are going to learning in the front end level? Basically, what are the front end technologies are there? That part we discussed in my previous session, and how to write HTML document, how to execute that one, what is the unordered list, what is the unordered list, and how to provide the h1 tag. That part we are observed in my previous session. And what is the features of HTML: simplicity, support, speed, tracking websites, integration easy, error handling, that kind of features. What are the drawbacks? Static, lack of security, complex, not a programming language, styling is not available, right? After that, simple HTML application, step by step, how to develop your object. So today, you need to understand some elements, some kind of terminology, some more terminology you need to understand. After that, previous application level, anchor tags, how to use, how it is going to display anchor tags, how to use the table level, different kind of input tags, how to use. That part we are going to discussing. So today running notes I'm going to prepare it so that you can able to see what is the content we are going to discuss, reference purpose. So day 2, day 2 level, you need to understand elements. HTML file is made up of elements. Elements means HTML tag is an element, opening and closing. Header tag is an element. Body tag is an element. Okay. These elements are responsible for everything inside an HTML code. For example, I'm going to define one new tag. You know already some of the HTML tag. Header tag, body tag, level title, h1 tag, center, right? Unordered list, right? Now I'm introducing one more tag. The tag is paragraph tag. Any kind of information if you want to maintain, you need to use what? Paragraph. Here, whatever the data you want, you can specify. You can able to specify. Okay. End of the paragraph, we are going to close this one. This P is less than no, P greater than this one, we can call it as a tag. This is, we can call it as a paragraph tag or simply tag. Sometimes this paragraph level information, I want to align in the center, right or left. That is the purpose we are going to using paragraph level align also. We are going to see practically. That is called as an attribute. Suppose this paragraph level background color I need to change, or else font size I need to change. We are going to using here style equal to font hyphen size, font hyphen size, and I want to provide here 2.5 em, like that we are going to provide it. So we are going to providing this kind of way and put the semicolon and close this one. So here the style is what? Attribute. Style is what? Attribute. Paragraph inside, if I'm using any kind of thing, that is nothing but what? Attribute. This dots is your understanding purpose. Simple kind of way I'm going to provide the dots, but actually we are going to write the content. This is the content. This is the way tag is people are going to define. So your important thing is this is the opening tag. I'm going to providing here your understanding purpose. Opening tag. This is the opening tag. Next one is what? Closing tag. This is the closing tag. Here attribute. Attribute. What is the attribute? Style is an attribute. Here content. Just I'm going to write the content dot like this. For understanding purpose. Okay. So now we are going to concentrating how to use paragraph. So my previous workspace I'm opening, or else you can create a separate kind of workspace. Again, your understanding purpose. Create a new folder, my or new HTML, like that I'm going to providing. This is the folder level. I need to save my HTML. How to save? What kind of environment is required? You can use any text editor. So for that purpose, I'm opening what? Notepad. Notepad. Here I'm going to providing the file name. Previously, welcome, I'm going to provide it. Here I'm going to using file name is example1. Example1. Where it is available folder, go to the desktop. Here folder name is new HTML is the folder. Within that, I'm going to providing here example1.html. That is the extension. All files and click save. Whenever I'm going to save this one, what happened? By default browser, in our system level, whatever the default browser setting is there, based on that, it is going to indicating the logo. Here my laptop level default browser is Chrome. That's the reason it is showing the Chrome symbol. If it is a Edge symbol. If it is a Mozilla symbol. If what kind of browser you are using default, that one it is going to indicate it. Okay. What is the first line in the HTML? Yesterday we are observed, right? What is the first line? We are going to using what? Doc type. Doc type. What is the purpose of this line? We are using the HTML5 version, that is the indication. After that, we are going to providing what? Root element or tag HTML. This HTML, how many parts? 2 parts. What is that one? Header part and body part. Header and body part. So this example one title I need to display. That is the purpose. What kind of tag I'm going to using? Title. Example one. Close the title. Body level. I need to define one paragraph. Opening and closing the paragraph. This paragraph level, I need to add some kind of information, blah blah kind of information. It is not at all meaningful, just observation purpose. How paragraph is working, your understanding purpose. I'm going to providing here some blah blah kind of message, just checking purpose, just observation purpose. Meaningful paragraph, even you can able to copy paste from the Wikipedia also, not at all problem. Just paragraph, how it is going to look like, what kind of attributes are supported, you need to understand. Okay, that is the purpose this one. This is my paragraph. Now I'm opening the browser. So first refresh this one. If I am not saving anything, it is not display here. Okay, it is not display anything. Whether it is file is saved or not, how to check? See this one. On top of the file name, star symbol is there. Star symbol means it is not at all saved. Control yes. Now it is gone, that star symbol. Refresh, you can see like this. More lines are if visibility purpose, I'm going to increasing I'm zooming this one. This is the paragraph. Okay, this is my test. But you can observe that one paragraph is whenever you are going to start the notes, you are going to preparing any kind of notes, you are writing this kind of a one line is short, one line is larger, that kind of we are going to preparing, no, right? So proper kind of way you need to provide that one, right? So alignment is required. So that is the cases level attribute we are going to using. Align. We are going to say left. What happened if I'm going to say left? If I'm going to using left only, it is there by default. If I'm going to using the right, what happened? So that lines are, it is going to start with right side. If I'm using the center, if I'm using here center, save it and refresh this one. So everything it is going to center, right? So instead of using right, left, right, center, automatically I need to adjust. That is the purpose. Justify. People are going to using justify. Whenever I'm going to using the justify, what happen? It is going to correct the margins automatically. See this one. I'm using here justify. Save it and go to here and refresh. See this one. Adjusted automatically. Adjusted automatically. Left to right to center to justify. These are all what? Attributes. So overall story, you need to understand here, paragraph level, we are going to using attributes. A style is an attribute. Align is also one kind of attribute. Align is one kind of attribute. This align level, you can use left by default, left only, or right, or else you can use center, or else you can use justify. Justify any one of the attribute you can use. According to that, it is going to change. So first today HTML script code level, how to use paragraph we are observed. Okay,